Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome back to school. I hope everybody had a really nice week off and enjoyed your Thanksgiving and ate lots of turkey and mashed potatoes, gravy, stuffing. I had a very nice Thanksgiving, a very quiet Thanksgiving, but I enjoyed my week off and I'm happy to be back. This is the last day of November, so when we do the calendar, we're going to have to catch up all those days that we were off. I didn't go ahead and do it because I want you to see it. And then I wanted to show you a few things. So when we left off, it was a very busy week, right? We were trying to make our pilgrim costumes and do some fall things and do some Thanksgiving activities. So we didn't quite finish our letter. So I wanted to kind of take a peek at the focus board just to kind of remind you guys where we were at. We were working on the letter F, okay? So I put up Fancy Fish right here. The letter F says F for Fancy Fish. Here's another nice little goldfish. Here's how we make an F, which is what we're going to do today on the handwriting page. Straight line down, one long stick, and then two short sticks that go horizontal, and this is vertical. Let's see, on Friday, a lot of you guys made your turkey handprint, and thank you so much for sending those to me. I was surprised how many people used paint. I was really happy you have those colors of tempera paint at your house and you got to paint your hand and put your hand down and make the turkey handprint. And some of you drew the turkey, traced your hand with a pencil and colored it. So either way, those are just beautiful. Now, boys and girls, these really pretty fall leaves, we're gonna make those today. I had wanted to do those the same week as we did the Thanksgiving things, but we just didn't get it done. So that's gonna be on activity 4 on the button today. And it'll be another little art. And then I still have my fall books up here. We're gonna finish all this up because Thanksgiving is over. Okay, we enjoyed Thanksgiving, but today we have some things, we have some writing to do about Thanksgiving, so we're gonna kind of finish up all the November things. And then tomorrow, once we start our brand new month, December, we'll start talking about Christmas and doing the Christmas activities. Okay, if we have time, I have another book, but we'll wait and see if we have time. All right, I want to do the calendar. It'll take us a little longer today because I didn't want to go ahead and just put those numbers up. I wanted you guys to see. So we left off, the last time we did the calendar was November 20th. It was a Friday, and we did the Zoom where we ate our popcorn and learned about Thanksgiving and wore our pilgrim costumes. Also, parents, if you haven't done it yet, I think I got 10 pictures of the kids dressed up in their pilgrim costumes. And that's fine, but if I am able to make a memory book, I just, if I don't get the pictures or if I don't get the pages that the kids do, then they just won't have a page in their memory book, or they might not have a memory book. I can only do the ones that I have, that people are sending me things, okay? So I'm still gonna try, but I'm not sure when we get to go back to school, and I'm not sure if I can do those books completely distance learning, but I'll do my best. All right, so we still have November up here. Thanksgiving is over, but it is the last day of November. Okay, so instead of starting here, I think we're gonna we left off on the 20th on Friday, so after 20 is 21, and this was our first day of vacation, and I'll just go ahead and put those in there. We'll talk about the pattern as we go. And then that Sunday was 22. I'm gonna put the dark brown turkey here. And then 23, this is our whole week off. We were off the 23rd of November, Monday. We were off Tuesday. Wow, we had a nice long vacation, huh? It was nice and long, but it sure went fast. The 24th, the 25th, we were off. That was Wednesday. And then Thanksgiving Day was November the 26th. And I'm gonna put the dark brown turkey there. Okay, Thanksgiving's always the 4th Thursday of November. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then Friday was the 27th. That would be a light brown turkey. And then the next one is the weekend, which we just had, the 28th Saturday, and the 29th Sunday. That's another dark brown. So this is where we are, okay? So let's go ahead and go 1, 2. Oh, I guess I'll get the pointer because then I can step back further. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. We're looking for the number 30. Now 30 would be 3 bundles of 10, right? 10, 20, 30. 3 bundles of 10, and we don't need any extra straws. So 3 and 0. And it's the only number left here, so it's easy to find. And since I just had 2 dark brown turkeys, I'll turn it over, and our calendar is done. Okay, November has 30 days, and today is the last day of November. So what I like to do is say, goodbye, November. Okay, we'll sing a little song. We're not going to see November again until 2021, and you will no longer be in kindergarten. You'll be in 1st grade, and hopefully things will be back to normal and we'll be back at school, right? Okay, so we're going to sing goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye to you. We'll see you next year. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, November. So boys and girls, after the Zooms today, I'm going to take that calendar down and put the new calendar up. And you guys know what that will be? I bet you do. Okay, let's take a peek, right? We've got January, February, March, and April, May, and June, and July, August, September, October, November, December. Next month, tomorrow is December 1st. And a lot of you I know knew that because you're getting excited because after Thanksgiving comes Christmas, right? December is Christmas. We'll have to wait a little while for it, December 25th, but we will get our new calendar up. Okay, we're going to put a straw in. So I did not put straws in last week when we were gone because we weren't in school. I'm going to put a straw here and turn that, and we left off at 71. There were 7 bundles of 10. Let's see if we still have those. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And then now there's 2 in this pocket. So we go 71, 72. Today is day 72 of distance learning. So let me write the 72 up here and make a 7, a straight line on top, and a slant line down, and then a 2. 72. Okay. You know what? I covered up the days of the week over there because where I was going to do something else. So let's just take a peek over here. Okay, we're not going to change too much. We have to look for the 30, which I have all of those in here. I'll just have to kind of skip till I get to the 30 because I forgot to do that ahead of time. It should only take me a minute. I found it. All right, here's the number 30. I'm going to put that here, and then we're sliding this back to Monday. Now I'm leaving the F up because we really only worked on F for a few days, and we have a few more days to catch up in our workbook and do the handwriting page, and then we'll go. I'll tell you later on in the week what our new letter is going to be, okay? And then I'm going to go ahead and leave this sunny. We had a beautiful, beautiful weekend. Again, a little chilly in the morning and at night, maybe a little windy in the afternoon, but it has been really beautiful. You know, in the 70s and yeah, in the 70s. It's really, really nice, isn't it? Okay, so we have t-shirt, maybe jeans, maybe sweater. I don't think we even need these heavy jackets unless we're out late at night or early in the morning. Then we might need it, right? And we're gonna not put anything up here yet. So let's go ahead and just read this. Today is November 30th, 2020, the last day of November. The day of the week is Monday. And then, if you just give me a second, because we are finishing up with our letter F, we did not do this last week. And so I want to take a peek at all of our names. And we did do this on Zoom, but we want to take a look and see if there's any F's in our names. Now, we know that no one in our class starts with an F. We don't have any Freds or Fridas or Frannies or Franks, right? But I wanted to look for little F's. So I'm going to go ahead and move this a little bit closer, and we'll just do a really, really quick peek at everybody's names. Does Abby's name have F in it? No. Abigail, Addison, Blake, Brianna. You guys could be going like this or like this, right? Corbin, Elijah, Grady, no. Jesse, Javior, Jocelyn, Juliana, no. Lane, Logan, Madison, Madeline, Michael, Peyton, Reagan, Rena, Ruben, and Zara. So we're working on F's, but we don't have anyone in our class with an F in their name. Now, I think I left the little paper that I was doing. If I can find it real quick, I'll write it down. If not, I might have to write it later. Yeah, I forgot to get it out, the little graph I was writing on, so I'll write that down later. And I'll say for the letter F, we have 0, okay? All right, you know what? I think I'm just going to show you some pictures because I'm looking at the clock and it's getting a little bit long. I don't want to go too long on our first day back, but I had wanted to read this book called Awesome Autumn. Awesome Autumn. Autumn is the season of fall. And it just had some beautiful pictures in it. I'm not going to read the whole book. Autumn is a season of awesome changes. Look around in autumn and you'll see a lot of changes happening. These changes take plants, animals, and people from the hot days of summer to the cold days of winter. We're in between summer and winter. Isn't that just beautiful? All those gorgeous trees with orange, yellow, brown. Some are still green, aren't they? Okay. Days get colder. At the beginning of autumn, you might be comfortable running around in a t-shirt and shorts. By the end of autumn, you're more likely to be wearing a sweater, long pants, and a jacket. And we've been talking about that every day, so I wanted to share that page. The days get shorter. Autumn begins on the autumn equinox in the northern hemisphere. That's a day near September 22nd when day and night are both 12 hours long. Autumn ends on the winter solstice in the northern hemisphere. That's a day near December 22nd. It's the shortest day of the year. So have you guys noticed that the days are getting shorter? Okay, that means it starts getting dark earlier, right? The nights are getting longer, right? So it starts getting dark at 4:30, 5 o'clock. If you're playing outside, you have to come inside. I've been going to bed a lot earlier. One more page. Leaves change color. Why do the leaves change color? To understand the answer, you need to know why leaves are green in the spring and the summer. The green color in a leaf comes from chlorophyll. Unlike you, plants make their own food, and they use chlorophyll to do it. This green chemical traps energy from the sunlight. Plants use energy to grow. Summer days are long and bright, so leaves have plenty of light to make their own food. Okay, so that the word, and we saw a really cool video a few weeks ago with this. The word was chlorophyll. That's what makes the leaves green. In the autumn, days get shorter. Many plants stop making food when the daylight decreases. As days get shorter, leaves stop producing chlorophyll. The trees don't need it anymore. When the chlorophyll is gone, we can see new colors in the leaves. Those are the colors of autumn. And I think I'm going to stop here. Might just show you one more page. Another name for autumn is fall. Okay. And then there's another beautiful picture. What happens to all those leaves? Leaves that fall can help keep the environment healthy. As they break down, they give food to the earth and to the tiny living things in the soil. Fallen leaves also act as sponges. They mix with the soil to help it hold the rainwater. And here's just a picture of some different types of leaves from different trees. And I think I'm going to stop there. But I did want to share that with you because this is probably the last day we're going to talk about fall. And we are going to do these leaves for an art activity today. So I will see you today on Zoom. Bye-bye.